See you later, alligator. Have the wild crocodile. See you later.
Hey there guys, it's Paul Archer from dronesgetter.com, and this time around I have a pretty unique drone for you. It's called the JXD tracker, and it's probably the cheapest selfie camera drone I have ever encountered. This is mainly a quadcopter that you can only fly by using your phone, either with the sticks on the phone itself or by controlling it with the phone direction. It is advertised to come with an HD camera, but let me tell you, it's not this way. The camera is not that great, but frankly for this price you wouldn't expect any camera whatsoever. I would rather consider this as a beginner quadcopter and a camera for somebody who's interested in just flying a drone with a camera and not really looking for high resolution. But if you just want to spend as little as possible on a drone and you want it to be compact and have a camera, this is probably the drone for you. It's a pocket drone, not bigger than your phone, and this is not really a big phone whatsoever. The drone comes with a 550 mAh battery that lasts for about 6 minutes. The good thing is that you can buy more of these and you can fly for longer, of course. On the bottom of it there is an on and off button. In the package it comes with a basic charger and a user manual. Its main competitor is the JGRC H47, a very similar drone with a better camera. If you want to spend a little bit more on a drone with a better camera, you better check out my video over here. I have made a full review on that drone and it might be of interest to you. If not, you can check the description for the price of the drone right now. Don't hesitate, it's very cheap, it's fun to fly, and the bad camera is just a bonus. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and check that bell icon to get all the notifications for any cool drones I get in the future. See ya later, alligator.
See you later, alligator.